Hello everyone, my name is James Patrick B. Sumigin. I live in Barangay 7, San Jose Street. I am 12 years old. My favorite memory verse is found in Luke 18:27. Jesus replied, "What is impossible with man is possible with God." Thank you.
He is 11 years old. His favorite color is blue. His favorite color is red. He wants to become a servant someday. His hobbies are singing and dancing.
My name is Jimel Jeremy Castillo, 11 years old. I live in Barangay San Jose Street, General MacArthur. My favorite memory verse is John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Thank you.
Contestant number 3 is Jomar Calvadares. He is 11 years old. His favorite color is red. His favorite food is fried chicken. He likes to climb the mountain. He wants to become a soldier someday. His hobbies are singing and dancing.
I am Jomar B. Calvadores. I am 11 years old. I live in Barangay 3, Cordero Street. My favorite memory verse is Proverbs 3:6. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your paths. Thank you.
Contestant number 4, Jansen Schneider. He is 12 years old. His favorite color is blue. His favorite food is menudo. He likes to play basketball. His ambition is to become a seaman someday. His hobbies are singing and dancing.
My name is Jansen Navidad, 12 years old. I live in Barangay 3, San Street. My favorite memory verse is found in John 15:17. This things I command you that we love one another. Thank you.
Contestant number 5, Rene Oracchio. Oracchio. He is 13 years old. His favorite color is green. His favorite is Congo. He loves to play soccer. His ambition is to become
Romans 3 verse 23. For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. Thank you.
Contestant number 6 is Vincent Anthony Pagala. He is 13 years old. His favorite color is blue. His favorite food is tinolang manok. He loves to play basketball. He wants to become a soldier someday. His hobbies
My name is Vincent Anthony Pagala. I live in Barangay 3, Cordero Street. I am 13 years old. My favorite memory verse is John 15:7. If you abide in me, in my words, abide in you, you will not to be saved. Thank you.
favorite color is violet. Your favorite food is what? Our mission is to become
Hi everyone, my name is Clergyland Stafford. My age is 11 years old. I live in Barangay 1 San Roque Street. My favorite memory verse is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the thoughts that I think towards you, says the Lord, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you a future and a hope. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Princess Mira Casino. I am 12 years old and I live in Barangay 1 San Roque Street. General MacArthur Eastern Samar. My favorite memory verse, Psalm 121:1. I will lift up my eyes to the hills. From whence comes my help? My help comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sheila Rivialidon. I'm 12 years old. I live in Barangay 2, San Roque Street, General MacArthur, Eastern Samar. My favorite memory verse is verse John 4:8, God is love. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Sarah Mary Ayat. I live in Barangay 1 Apostle Street, and my favorite memory verse is Matthew 5:16. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your goodness and glorify your Father in heaven. Matthew 5:16. Thank you.